going to revise the series with infinite term of the GP. So here we write the formula sum of infinite term in the GP. As infinite means those series in which infinite term is involved and series in GP, then this is your formula. As infinite is equal to A upon 1 minus R. Here R is less than 1, or we write as infinite is equal to A upon R minus 1 when R is greater than 1. So remember two formulae that are used in this type of question. So first we write question. What is our question? So here the solution is y is equal to x square, x cube plus dot. Now student, we see that in our whole series x is present, and if first term is one of the series, then it is very helpful for us. If first term is 1, then second term is always common ratio. Okay, so first we take common x from the whole series. So we take common x. So here the series is 1 plus x square plus dot 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 up to infinite. This is a GP series. This is a GP series. 1 x square dot 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 are in GP. And the common ratio is always the second term x. How we said that? Now let us see. Common ratio T2 upon T1 is equal to T3 upon T2. This is your R. Now we substitute T2 is x and T1 is 1. So this is x. So student, it is important point. If first term is 1, then second term is always common ratio. So it is very helpful for us. If we make the first term 1, then second term is always common ratio. Now we apply the formula. What is our formula? Here A is equal to means first term is 1. So we apply the formula. So y is equal to x. A means 1 upon 1 minus x. Here we use the formula as infinity is equal to A upon 1 minus R. A is 1 and R is x. Now we cross multiply this. So this is y 1 minus x is equal to x. Y 1 minus x is equal to x. If we open the bracket, we get y minus yx is equal to x. Club x term. We take x term together. So y is equal to x plus xy. Now we take x common. So here we get 1 plus y. Now x is equal to y upon 1 plus y. This is your final proof. So x is equal to y upon 1 plus y. This is a very good question and also important question. So important point is sum of infinite term in GP is A upon 1 minus R. Always remember sum of infinite term in GP is A upon 1 minus R or R minus 1. It is depend on the R is greater than 1 or less than 1. So here important point is always take first term is 1 or make first term is 1 because second term is directly become our common ratio. Then we do calculation and match the rule. So note this question, then we discuss another problem. Term in GP, and the important point is this: in this question there is two type of series. One series is in which numerator is 1, and another series is numerator is 2. So there is two types of series, in which numerator is 1, in which numerator is 2. So important part of the question is we club the same term. So first we club the same term, then we make the series, then we apply the formula and then we do the calculation. So let us start the problem. what we do here, we club the same term. These are the same term. So we club this. We write in a single bracket. So here we write this is 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7 cube plus 1 by 7 5 up to infinite. And in second bracket also club the same term, 2 by 7 square, 2 by 7 4, 2 by 7 6 plus infinite. So always remember that if mixed series is written, then take the pattern and club the same term. Okay. So if we see clearly that here we see that 1 upon 7 is common in whole series. In previous question I already told you that always make first term is 1. So if we take 1 by 7 common, so our first term become 1. So here we take 1 by 7 common. So here we get 1 plus 1 by 7 square plus 1 by 7 4 up to infinite. And here also we see that the 2 by 7 square is common. So in bracket this is 1 plus 1 by 7 square plus 1 by 7 4 up to infinite. Now it is very simple for us. We see that the whole bracket is common. So we take whole bracket is common. So if we take this bracket common, 1 upon 1 plus 7 square, 1 upon 1 plus 7 4 up to infinite. Take the common. In second bracket we get 1 by 7 plus 2 by 7 square. Take this bracket common, then we get here 1 by 7 and 2 by 7 square. Okay, now here we apply the formula. Which formula is used? S infinite is equal to A upon 1 minus R. So here we apply the formula. So A is 1 and the first term is 1, then second term is always R. So here A is 1 and R is equal to 1 by 7 square means 1 upon 49. So this is 1 minus 1 upon 49 into this is 1 by 7 plus 2 by 7 square. Now we calculate this. So this is 49 minus 1. So this is 1 upon 49 minus 1 upon 49. Here also take LCM. So LCM is 49. So here 7 7 ja 49 plus 2. So this is 49 upon 48 into 9 upon 49. This is cancel out. So this is 9 upon 48. Student, 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3, 3 6 ja 18. So 3 by 16 is final answer. 3 by 16 is final answer. So note down and practice this type of question. I will give you one homework question for you. Okay. X to power half, x to power 1 by 4, x to power 1 by 8 and series went to infinite and the value is x. So here we first write the question. So here is the solution for you. Given sequence is x to power 1 by 2, x to power 1 by 4, x to power 1 by 8 up to infinite. According to the logic of the algebra, power of the same quantity is always added. So here base is the same, so power is added. So we get x to power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 up to infinite. Now student, if we take 1 by 2 is common, so here we take 1 by 2 is common. So in bracket 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 up to infinite. Now here we see that 1 comma 1 by 2, 1 by 4 are in GP, and the sum is up to infinite term. So here we apply the sum of infinite term in GP. Here we write the formula for the sum in infinite term in GP as infinite is equal to A upon 1 minus R, where A is the first term and R is the common ratio. So student, here A is equal to 1 and R is equal to 1 by 2. Now we substitute the value. So this is x to power 1 by 2. In place of A we write the 1, and 1 minus R means 1 minus 1 by 2. So this is x to power 1 by 2, and here 1 upon 1 by 2. So 2 cancel out. This is x to power 1 and the final answer is x. So student, note this question, and this is a very good and beautiful question. We take another example for you. So here the second question is, we are going to limit 6 to power 1 by 2, 6 to power 1 by 4, 6 to power 1 by 8 up to infinite is equal to 6. Same question, the value is changed. So here we write 6 is the base is same, so power is added. So here we write this is 6 to power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 up to infinite. Now student, it is good for us that we take 1 by 2 common, so first term become 1. So calculation will be easy. So we take 1 by 2 is common, so this is 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 4 up to infinite. Now we apply the same formula. So here A is also 1 and R is 1 by 2. So this is 6 to power 1 by 2, 1 upon 1 minus 1 by 2. So this is 6 to power 1 by 2 into 1 upon 1 by 2. This 2 cancel out. So final answer is 6. So I hope all of you understand how we solve this type of problem. So note, then I will give you some homework question.